Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to send or transfer money on Revolut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to send money to your friends or family. So, let's go to transfer, right next to add money, and then you're gonna appear on this screen right here. So just tap on new at the top right corner if you don't have any contacts, and now you can choose from these. In my case, I'm just gonna tap on add a bank receipt, add a bank recipient, and if I actually go there, it's not gonna show what I'm doing because I'm screen recording and it's trying to protect my privacy, so I'm just gonna walk you through it. So just enter the bank information like currency, location, your name, your bank name, and whatever. And then, once you continue, enter how much money that you want to send or transfer, and then tap on continue. And then, after that, you're gonna have to confirm if you really want to send it. So just tap on confirm and you're done. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.